Welcome back to MindShift Daily. You've completed the 7-day reset in small steps, and if you didn't, that's fine too. Now, we start from here. For the next 15 minutes, we aren't just relaxing, we are clearing the sight. We are removing the debris of old habits and laying a foundation that cannot be shaken. Put away the world. Close your eyes. Let's start the build. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the weight of the week leave your shoulders. Every thought that doesn't serve your future is a stone you no longer need to carry. Drop them, one by one. See your mind as a wide open space, empty, silent, ready for a new design. Now, look at the blueprint. Who is the person that lives in this new architecture? They aren't rushed. They aren't worried. They move with the certainty of a mountain. In this space, you are the architect. You decide what thoughts get to live here. Choose discipline. Choose peace. Choose happiness. Let these choices sink into the soil of your subconscious. Stay in this silence for next 5 minutes. This is where the real work happens. In the quiet, the foundation cures. You are resetting your internal clock to a rhythm of peace. Slowly, bring your awareness back to the space around you. Don't rush. Feel the weight of your body, supported and strong. You aren't returning as the same person who started this session. You are returning as the designer of your own peace. Breathe into that new space. Gently begin to move your fingers and your toes. Feel the expansion in your chest. Notice how much more room there is inside you now that the debris has been cleared. This stillness isn't a lack of noise, it is the presence of clarity. You have built a sanctuary within yourself that the world cannot touch. Gently open your eyes. Take in the light. The reset is complete. The sight is clear. As you open your eyes, remember, you don't find peace. You build it. Carry this blueprint with you into the world. You are the architect. Until next time.